Welcome to PC Error Detective, where we solve PC problems fast. In today's video, I will show you how to fix your computer if you can't download programs and applications, step by step. If you're finding it difficult to download files, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more useful content. Step 1. Start by going to the search box on your computer. Type Internet Options and then click on it from the search results. This will take you to the Internet Properties window where we will adjust the settings that might be preventing your downloads. Step 2. In the Internet Properties window, locate the Browsing History section. Here, click on the Settings button. This will open up options related to how your computer manages temporary files and storage. Step 3. Once you're in the settings, check the current location where files are being saved. If the default download location is not set to your main hard drive, which is usually the C drive where Windows is installed, this could be causing the issue. Make sure to verify this setting. Step 4. If the current location is incorrect, you can fix this by clicking on Move Folder. Select a more appropriate location, such as the Downloads folder, and save your changes. This will ensure your downloads go to the correct folder moving forward. Step 5. Next, go to the taskbar and click on the File Explorer icon. Once it opens, click on This PC and then choose Local Disk C. This will allow you to see if your C drive is functioning properly and has enough space for downloads. And that's it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.